Last month in September, I earned $3,472 from my YouTube channel, which doesn't show my face. And I'm going to reveal that to you guys in this video completely for free. I'll reveal the YouTube channel, we'll go into the analytics, I'll show you how it makes money, what kind of videos are on there, and I'll even explain how you can do it as well, and you can earn passive income from YouTube without showing your face. But first, before we get into that, I need us all to be on the same page here. I need us all to understand how you actually make money on YouTube in the first place. For those that already know, hang tight, I'll be quick, and I'll explain it for those that don't know. So there are two main ways that I'm going to cover in this video. The first way is you get paid from YouTube for advertisements that are shown on your videos, which is also known as YouTube AdSense. So essentially, Google, who owns YouTube, automatically pay you every month for the amount of views that you've got on your videos. The second way that you can make money, which I'm going to cover, is where you get paid to recommend a product to your audience. So for example, if I have, let's say, these headphones here, and I recommend them, and I leave a link in the description, if you go ahead and click on that link and then buy these headphones, I might get a commission for making that sale, and that's called affiliate marketing. So here we are in my YouTube analytics. If you're familiar with YouTube, you'll be familiar with this back end here. I'm going to reveal my channel in a second, but first I want to show you the analytics, the numbers, and the actual money that it's made in the month of September. So here you can see we've got 819,000 views in the month of December, ranging from 28,000 views to 29 to 26,000 views per day. We've gained 12.2 thousand hours watched, which has brought us in 1,300 subscribers. Those are new subscribers. And over the month of September, which is a 30-day month, that has netted us $2,847 from YouTube AdSense. This is from the advertisements which play at the start of my videos. So this is the revenue of my channel, which doesn't show my face for those that are interested. So those are my earnings from YouTube ads. I'm also going to show you two affiliate programs, and we'll just show you those earnings as well. So here is a program which I promote called ExpressVPN. You don't need to know what this is, just know that it's an online piece of software which I promote. When people buy it, I get a commission, and here are my commissions for that. Over the month of September, I've made $173 from this program, and then I promote Amazon as well. And in the month of September, I earn $152 from Amazon. I also promote other companies, but I don't want to drag the video on by showing you every single one, but those are my two main ones, along with my YouTube AdSense earnings. So now what I'll do, I'll show you the channel. We'll go into the type of videos that I make on the channel, how you can make the videos, how you can get views on those videos, and how you can make money. So here we are on my YouTube channel, which you've just seen the analytics for. This channel is called Knowledge Base, and on the channel what I do, I upload short and simple tutorial videos about technology, social media, and cryptocurrency. So if we go ahead and look at some of my popular uploads, you can see I've got videos like how someone can add a song to Spotify that isn't on Spotify, how someone can change their voice on Discord, a messaging program, how someone can reset their Roblox password, how someone can add a payment method on Google Play. These videos are all simple tutorial videos which don't show my face. So here is an example of one of those videos. This video is how to loop YouTube videos on mobile, and all I do is I explain to people how they can use the loop feature on YouTube. Fairly easy stuff, right? This video took me 2 minutes to record, maybe 5 to 10 minutes to edit. I uploaded it to YouTube, and it's now making me passive income every single day, and I didn't even have to appear on camera or show my face. Let me just quickly go into the analytics of this video, and we'll check how much this video has made. So here we are in this video that, remember, took me 10 minutes, and this one video so far has made me $791, and it continues to make me money every single day. You can see it gets views daily, which makes me money every single day. And that is what I mean about passive income. Now this video isn't anything special, I'm simply talking over the video, recording my phone screen, and showing people how they can use the loop feature on YouTube. So you've seen the YouTube channel, you've seen how much money it makes, You've seen the videos, now you want to know, how can you record those videos yourself? So there are two different types of videos that I've got on this channel. The first type is phone videos where I talk about social media, and then the second type, I also talk about social media, but it's recorded on my computer. On Android, which is what I'm on, I use AZ Video Recorder. You can go to the Play Store and download it for free, and then just start recording your screen. On iPhone, I think you have a built-in recorder, or you can probably just go ahead and download one. And then on the computer, I use a free screen recording tool called OBS Studio, which allows you to record your desktop computer screen and then commentate over it. So go ahead and record your videos, and once I've got my videos recorded, I will edit them if I need to cut anything out, and then I just simply go ahead and upload them to YouTube. What you need to do once you've got them uploaded to YouTube, you need to give them a good title, a good description, write some tags, and make a good thumbnail so it ranks in YouTube when people search for that video. So we'll take the video how to loop a YouTube video on mobile, for example. And what I'll do is I'll just go ahead and go to YouTube search, and this is what you would do as well. And you would just type in how to loop YouTube videos, and you'll see what comes up here. Now this is important because this is what people are searching for. So you want to title your video around these keywords here that people are searching for. So how to loop YouTube videos on mobile is what is the most commonly searched. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you might, so you'll see here my video is number 1. So the aim here is to get your video to appear in YouTube search, just like my video here, so we can earn passive income every day. You can see 93% of the views come from YouTube search. Now obviously I can't cover all of this stuff in one YouTube video, otherwise it will be hours long, but I can recommend a resource which I've personally followed, which does a good job of breaking it down into segments, which you can follow if you're serious about this. So this right here is a YouTube program called YouTube Supremacy, and it helps you to build authority YouTube channels that outrank your competition for promoting affiliate offers, and it also works with AdSense. So if you go ahead and click on the link in the description, you can access this course right now. It's newbie friendly. It shows you exactly what to do and how you can rank videos in YouTube and Google, which is exactly what these channels are about. It covers all the important stuff like how you can dominate with just a niche channel, how you can rank videos, how you can build your authority, step-by-step video optimization, uploading and commenting, and if you should show your face or not, and so much more. There's loads of stuff. You're going to have to just check it out yourself. It's literally $15. It's a steal. I'm not trying to sell you a $1,000 course here. $15. Check it out if you want to. If you did enjoy that video and it was valuable, please do leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more videos.